The mold board is the primary work tool on a motor grader. The mold board side shift function allows the mold board to be moved in either direction from the center of the circle. The ability to side shift allows the operator to place the heel or toe of the mold board in the correct location for the job. Some applications may require more constant monitoring of the mold board position, leading to adjustments made by the operator. While the machine is powerful enough to side shift the mold board under maximum load, this is not recommended. Side shifting the mold board excessively or under heavy load will accelerate wear on the mold board wear strips. This can lead to reduced grade accuracy, increased downtime, and higher maintenance costs. Instead, use the drawbar center shift function to place the toe or heel of the mold board in the required position. The mold board side shift function allows the operator precise control and versatility for the job at hand. Proper operation of this function will maximize the value of your CAT motor grader. For harsh applications or those requiring frequent mold board side shifting, extended life mold board wear strips are available. Contact your local CAT dealer for more information.